How can you use a tiller for removing grass? Using a tiller is not a rocket science thing. Most of them don't need any skills, while others come with easy-to-follow user guides. Below are a stepwise guide on starting and using a motor-powered tiller. Setting the adjuster depth and start the machine. Here, most tillers have a metal part that slides the midst of the adjuster up or down. On your first till, the adjuster depth should be up. Wearing protective and safety gears and switch on the machine through the switch located at the engine is the case in most motorized tillers. Pull the levers under the handles to till prepared soil. Pull back on the handles as you push down the tines to keep the tiller in place when tines are engaged. Slightly tip forward the tiller. Raise the handles gently so the tines get downward to break the ground. Walk along as the tiller pulls itself ahead, and tines continue breaking the soil. How can you use a tiller for removing grass? You start by digging the blades down into the bottom of the grass. The second step is setting the tiller and pressing the clutch lever, allowing the edges to dig first before moving forward. Let it explore until you are satisfied and the grass comes out entirely. This process should continue until the whole yard is done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.